Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Disy Putri. My contact number is 2340092. I'm from Railway Transportation Management. Here I will explain about the minimum standards for train services at the station as explained in Ministerial Regulation number 63 of 2019. I myself will explain about the types of equality services. Come with me. Firstly, there are facilities for passengers with special needs. Minimum standard for small, medium, and large stations are more or less the same, such as the availability for seats for priority passengers, special pedestrian paths or paths for the blind people, especially for passengers using wheelchairs, and last, the availability of ramps or inclined paths as a substitute for stairs for wheelchairs user, like this one at the Indonesian Railway Polytechnic Station, for example. In the second, there is a counter for people with disabilities. Small stations are not required to have special counters for people with disabilities. Meanwhile, medium and large stations have minimum standards is that they must have special handicap counter with the counter height adjusted to the height of wheelchairs. And finally, there is room for breastfeeding mothers. For both small, medium, and large stations, the minimum standard is to have space for breastfeeding mothers according to the standards of the Ministry of Health of the Republic of Indonesia. There is the minimum standard for equality of train service at the station. That's all I can say. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
I thank God in my lucky stars. Darling, don't you know what you are? Yeah, baby, you